Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change SVP. Join us now.
Be the Change SVP is a movement that aims to build schools to provide underprivileged children with equal access to education.
Be the Change SVP raises money by taking part in the initiative with Happy Hearts Indonesia to create changes in these children's lives.
Through Be the Change SVP, we as SVP students are attempting to enhance the education of underprivileged students in Indonesia.
Being students with the privilege of receiving an IB education, we believe it is essential that we are capable of utilizing our knowledge to assist individuals in our community and offer services to those in need.
Furthermore, as students of SVP, we strongly adhere to the values instilled in the champion mindset and believe that we can be good influences on our surroundings by implementing those values in our daily lives.
To us, it is crucial that we can be courageous, honest, active, mindful, positive, open-minded, and noble.
Being a part of this movement benefits more than solely ourselves. It also benefits the people in our community. Through Be the Change, we wish to improve the lives of children in Indonesia by raising funds for the building of a school and its facilities.
Hence, we would like to invite each and every one of you to participate in this project as an opportunity to contribute through donations and assistance in advancing the schools in Indonesia.
These children deserve to obtain high-quality education just as much as we do, so let's all combine hands in making a difference for the better.
Be the Change SVP.
Be the Change SVP.
Be the Change SVP.
Be the Change SVP.
Be the change SVP. Join us now.